Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's fast-paced digital world, unwanted spam calls have become one of the most irritating interruptions in our daily lives. Whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, these random calls from unknown numbers can ruin your peace of mind and waste your time. Thankfully, if you're an iPhone user, there are several powerful tools built right into your device that can help you silence, block, and completely avoid spam and robocalls. In this essay, we'll explore 5 effective hacks to stop spam calls on your iPhone once and for all. The first and perhaps most effective method is using the Silence Unknown Callers feature. To enable it, go to Settings, to Phone Silence Unknown Callers, and turn it on. Once activated, your iPhone will automatically silence any number that isn't saved in your contacts, recent calls, or Siri suggestions. The best part is that the calls will still appear in your recents list, so you won't miss anything important, but your phone won't ring or vibrate. This feature is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to prevent spam calls from disturbing you during work, meetings, or sleep. If you keep getting calls from the same spam number, the next step is to block it permanently. Simply open the phone app, go to Recents, tap the information icon next to the number, and select Block this caller. Once blocked, that number can no longer call, text, or FaceTime you. You can manage your blocked numbers anytime by visiting Settings, Tor Phone, Blocked Contacts. This feature is especially useful for telemarketers or scammers who keep calling from the same line repeatedly. It takes only a few seconds to set up, but it makes a big difference in keeping your phone peaceful and clutter-free. Spam isn't limited to calls. Unwanted text messages can be equally frustrating. To tackle this, go to Settings, Messages, Filter Unknown Senders, and turn it on. This will create a separate Unknown Senders tab in your Messages app, automatically moving text from numbers not saved in your contacts to that section. By doing this, your main inbox stays clean and free from scam or phishing attempts. It's a great way to protect your privacy and stay organized, especially if you receive a lot of promotional or suspicious messages. With the introduction of iOS 26, Apple has added even more powerful tools to help manage spam. One of the most useful is live voicemail, which displays a real-time transcription of what the caller is saying before you answer. If you see that it's spam, you can simply ignore it without picking up. Another excellent feature is Silence Junk Callers, which uses Apple system intelligence and your carrier's data to automatically detect and silence no spam calls. To activate it, go to Settings, Tor Phone or Silence Junk Callers, and toggle it on. These new features make the iPhone smarter and more proactive in protecting you from unwanted interruptions. Finally, many mobile carriers now offer their own spam protection services that can further enhance your iPhone's security. For instance, AT&T provides Call Protect, Verizon offers Call Filter, and T-Mobile has Scam Shield. You can easily find these apps in the App Store and install them for free or upgrade to their premium versions for additional features. These carrier apps can identify and label potential spam calls, often displaying alerts such as scam likely before you even answer. When combined with the iPhone's built-in tools, they create a nearly foolproof system against spam and robocalls. Dealing with spam calls no longer has to be a daily annoyance. By using features like Silence Unknown Callers, Block This Caller, Filter Unknown Senders, Apple's new iOS 26 tools, and your carrier's spam protection services, you can finally regain control over your phone. These 5 simple hacks work together to create a seamless, spam-free experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your work, your rest, and your peace of mind. So, if you're tired of unwanted calls and texts, try these steps today and enjoy the quiet once again.